can see, I don't have much space. I want to utilize the space right behind my chair, right there, where the plug is, so I can plug in the Cricut, and so that I can roll it to the desk near me when I need to. Right now, it's right here on top of our backup freezer. So I'm gonna build the little cart to fit right in this space right here. So here's everything I purchased. I purchased this small cart from Amazon. It has wheels, so it's perfect if you don't have a large space or a room just for crafts. And I have a home office, but it's not dedicated just for crafting. So I think this is going to be perfect to roll back and forth when I need it. Then I also bought, let's see, right here, we have the vinyl little storage racks for the vinyl for the Cricut, some Cricut supplies. Then I also got 2 of these really nice blush pink storage containers from Home Goods. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start building this little storage rack to go right over there in that little corner. Okay, so as you can see, it's really easy. There's 5 steps on this side, and this is the final product. And I really like the when all you need is that little L-shaped bar and not like a whole bunch of tools. So here we go. We have the handles. We have 1, 2, 3 of those pieces. And this is really sturdy. It's not plastic. It's like a thin metal. Then we have 3 more with this little tube, so I separated them by type. Then we have over here the 4 poles, and then the 2 smaller ones, the 4 wheels. Then you have the little screws and the tools right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow step 1 and 2, which is attaching this part here to the longer parts, the B's, which the longer ones are the B. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the B's to the A's. When you attach these, just make sure, you can see if I twist and turn this, now it turns white. You want to make sure that the holes are aligned on each side, like so. screws, top and bottom, loosely in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them all with this little L-shaped crowbar thingy. So I have a few more materials that I want to store here. I have the Cricut printable vinyl, the Cricut sticker paper that you can print on. I have some neutral colored cardstock. I'm all about the neutrals. Then I have the fabric grip boards. I only have 2 vinyls, but I have 2 of these container bins and a few more vinyls. What I want to do first is I want to put this together so I can put it on the little storage container. I also purchased this on Amazon. It's really cute, it's really small, and as you can see, it can hold up to 9 vinyl rows from 5.5 to 12 inches long. All right, let's put this together. So we have the steps right here. Oh, I see. Okay, so what you have to do is, to do this, the part that's coming out, you have to put that one underneath and this one on top. Kind of loop it one underneath and the other on top, like so. So 2 on top, 2 at the bottom, and then you're gonna push it. So I've snapped that into place. So now that you've snapped this part into place, now you can just fold it like so. So it looks like this, almost like a binder. We're gonna go ahead and take this piece, little indentations right here. That's where that part's gonna go. Just gotta line it up. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna push it down on the floor. And there you go. You have that piece there, so it's holding it in position. We're gonna go ahead and put the other piece. So we have the bottom one. Let's put the top one now. And again, you're using these little indentations as a guide. So I'm just kind of putting that first. down on the floor. There we go. And now it's all snapped in. What's really cool about this little piece here is that it also comes with tools so you can mount it on the wall. I'm not mounting it into the wall, I'm putting it on my little cart. However, on the back, you can easily mount it on the wall. So if you wanted to, you can mount it like so. Or you can even mount it sideways and put your vinyl in there. I don't want to do that. I want to keep everything clean and crisp. So I'm just going to place it on my Cricut cart right here. Just like that. Let's go ahead and put the rest of our materials in. And there you have it, guys. A small little cute cart, durable, for your Cricut and other materials if you are limited on your craft space. And it's right behind my desk, so I can always just roll it when I need to use it.